Experts around the world speak highly of the achievements made by the BRICS Summit and its role in providing an inclusive platform for global cooperation. The 15th BRICS Summit was held on August 22nd to 24th in Johannesburg, South Africa.
I think BRICS also offers an opportunity for intercultural collaboration among the participating countries, but also the other countries which have got a framework for collaboration. BRICS gives these countries a new opportunity to work together to overcome their development challenges. It provides them with a market, it provides them with resources, it provides them with inspiration.
BRICS now is becoming one of the most important elements for economic development worldwide. The world is now moving in a different direction. It is the tune of the global South that we will be hearing at the BRICS conference. This will be a message of peace, it will be a message of harmony, and it will be a message of development. I think that's the biggest characteristic of what the BRICS meeting.
فهو هنا بيبقى في طموح من كثير جدا من الدول للانضمام اليه. هو التجمع في حد ذاته احنا اتفقنا ان هو قوة اقتصادية مؤثرة. التجمع من الممكن ان هو يخلق قروض بشروط ميسرة باعتبار انك انت هتدي الدول اللي داخل التجمع. عشان كده هناك بنك البريكس اللي وجد داخل هذا التجمع. فبتتكلم بقى في تنمية، بتتكلم في قواعد اقتصادية واستثمارية، بتتكلم في تبادل تجاري.